A few final remarks on the introduction on probability that we discussed up to now is to be aware that probability can be expressed in different ways. If I go back to the very first example that we spoke about, when we toss a coin, what is the probability we will get heads? So we say the probability to get heads in tossing a coin. How many heads on a coin is 1. How many possible outcomes? Of course, it is 2. So that probability is a half. Someone may write it as 0.5, therefore as a decimal, which is also acceptable. And another person would like to write it as 50%, and that is also acceptable in probability. So what I try to say is probability can be expressed in 3 different ways, namely common fractions, decimal fractions, or percentages. Now, when we are working with common fractions, we do sometimes get probabilities that give us an answer, let's say, of 3/6. You will remember the example on the even number on a die. Now, this 3/6, as you know from your previous years in your school, that this can be simplified to 1/2. But you may also would like to write it as 0.5. So it is as you please and as your teacher will expect from you.